So, you think you own your house, huh? Well, think again. In the wonderful world of real estate law, the concept of ownership is complicated. So what is ownership really? What do we mean when we say we own the house? Does it mean that we can hug it? Or is it something deeper? We've got to get to this answer before we can answer anything about easements. Let's go way back to the 19th century. It was there that the concept of property was being developed. According to Blackstone, a very famous legal scholar, the concept of property was the ability to hold a tangible object and to be able to dispose of that object. That meant that if you had a t-shirt or a pair of pants and you could be said to throw it away, that would be what we mean by property. The real question is, does that cover the entire definition? The answer is no! It's missing certain elements. What about things like trademarks or businesses? What about other elements, things that we can't touch, but we own? The definition then was shaky. Let's look at what happened afterwards. By the 20th century, this definition was abandoned. It lacked certain fundamental elements and didn't encompass certain things that could be owned. So the definition was amended and needed to be broadened. So how do we fix this? Well, we got the answer from a professor in 1913 called Wesley Hofield. According to him, property isn't simply the ownership or possession of something. Rather, it's the fundamental legal relations between people. It's fundamentally different. It seems a bit broader, but it works. And if we expand this out to property, we see that this starts to make sense. Property isn't my possession of something.
Precious!
It's beyond that. It's about how it is you can use a specific piece of property. And that's what we're talking about with respect to easements. The way in which you grant another person the ability to use something that is considered your property.
Oh, get off my lawn!
What does this all mean? Are you gonna have to share your lot with your neighbor forever?
Hi, neighbor. I'm glad we're together again.
Whether you're buying, selling, refinancing a property, or just plain old interested in what's going on there, it's gonna fall to you to pay attention to easements. You need to understand who else owns this lot. Who else has control over it? Is it just the person who's on title? Maybe not. It's important that you look into it.
Look into it.
If you like what you heard and you want more information on law as it's related to real estate or any other areas of law, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel below. And I'll see you next time.